Everything around us is made of matter, and hidden inside that matter are tiny building blocks called atoms. But what exactly is an atom? But this tiny building block has an amazing structure, made of three main particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. An atom is the basic unit of an element. It is incredibly small, yet atoms combine to form all the matter we see around us. At the center of an atom is the nucleus, containing protons and neutrons. Tiny electrons move around the nucleus, completing the basic structure of an atom. A proton is a tiny particle found inside the nucleus of an atom. It carries a positive electric charge. Most importantly, the number of protons determines which element an atom is. The number of protons gives an atom its identity. 1 proton makes hydrogen, 6 make carbon, and 8 make oxygen. This number is called the atomic number. The atomic number tells us exactly how many protons are inside an atom. So, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, carbon is 6, and oxygen is 8. A neutron is another particle found inside the nucleus. Unlike a proton, a neutron has no electric charge. Protons and neutrons together make up the dense central nucleus of an atom. Electrons are tiny particles with a negative electric charge. They move around the nucleus in regions called energy levels. Although much lighter than protons and neutrons, ends interact with each other. At the heart of every atom is its nucleus. It contains positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. Although the nucleus is extremely small, at the heart of every atom is its nucleus. It contains positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. Although the nucleus is extremely small, protons are positive, neutrons have no charge, and electrons are negative. Protons and neutrons stay inside the nucleus, while electrons occupy regions around it. The atomic number tells us how many protons an atom has. This number gives every element its unique identity. For example, carbon has 6 and oxygen has 8. In a neutral atom, the number of protons equals the number of electrons. Their positive and negative charges balance each other, giving the atom an overall charge of 0. An atom is neutral when it has equal numbers of protons and electrons. Their opposite charges cancel each other, giving the atom a net charge of 0. Electrons are arranged around the nucleus in energy levels called shells. Electrons closer to the nucleus have lower energy, while electrons in outer shells have higher energy. Valence electrons are the electrons in an atom's outermost shell. They are especially important because they determine how an atom interacts and bonds with other atoms. Atoms can gain or lose electrons. Losing electrons makes an atom positively charged, while gaining electrons makes it negatively charged. These charged atoms are called ions. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. For example, carbon-12 and carbon-14 are two isotopes of carbon. Atoms can join together to form molecules. For example, 2 hydrogen atoms can bond with 1 oxygen atom to form a water molecule, known as H2O.
Atoms are incredibly tiny, far too small to see with our eyes. Most of an atom is empty space, while almost all of its mass is concentrated in the nucleus. Let's put everything together. An atom has a central nucleus containing protons and neutrons, while electrons occupy regions around the nucleus. Let's quickly recap. Protons are positive, neutrons have no charge, and electrons are negative. Protons and neutrons form the nucleus, while electrons occupy regions around it. From the smallest particles to everything we see around us, atoms are the foundation of matter. Protons, neutrons, and electrons come together to create the amazing world we live in. Thanks for watching.